So in this campus tour, we will be exploring the college, we'll be exploring the hostels, we'll see the departments, we'll be having student interaction. So let's go and see the beautiful campus of MNIT.
Stay, don't you go. You make my every cell flow, my every breath slow and calm. Yeah, that's how you make me feel I'm yours. You